Hello lovers of Easy Fashion, welcome to another episode of Everything Hair. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be transforming this hair. Look at how matted it is. But for this particular video we're just going to focus on this glue. We're going to get rid of the glue, and in a later video we're going to transform the wig. So let's get into it. So first I'm going to go in with my glue remover. I'm just going to generously apply on this wig because it was really messed up when my clients put it in. So yeah, be generous with this since we want this wig looking, this lace looking brand new. So here's what it's looking like, and I'm going to let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to begin taking it out. I'm just going to use the end of my latte comb to just clean out because it was really thick. So I just want to clean the first layer out. Then I'm going to go in with my towel to get the rest of the glue out. So I actually went in with a second layer of glue remover because this was really stubborn. So after getting rid of the glue, I had to go in with a second layer to completely get rid of everything. So yeah, so I'm just going to get the areas where there's glue, where they see some glue left. And here's what it's looking like after reapplying the glue remover for the second time. So here's what it's looking like after cleaning it out with a towel. You can just get any towel or what you use. And after doing that, I'm going to go in with my shampoo. I'm going to apply on the tips where the glue was previously. Then I'll go in with my warm water. And I'm just going to clean the lace. So I was supposed to install this wig back to the client after getting rid of the glue and detangling it, because as you can see it was badly matted or is mated, whatever they call it. So yeah, so I just wanted to clean the lace before installation. So after that I'm going to rinse it out, and I think we're done. So here's what our lace is looking like. As you can see, so clean and as good as new, ready to be installed.